Hi kids, today I want to talk to you guys about flat surfaces of solid figures. So we kind of got into it a little bit last week, but I wanted to talk to you about the flat surfaces on the solid figures. So if we look at this picture here, we can see that these are all solid figures, meaning that they're all 3D. So if I had a cube, I can hold it. Just like a box, if we have a box, we can hold it. That is a solid figure. A ball would be another solid figure, and that would be a sphere. So we can see that they all have flat surfaces. If we look down at the bottom, let's look at this cube. What shape do you see on one of its faces? I see a square. Do you guys see that? There's a square on this face here. There's another square here and another one. So each one of these faces has a flat surface. If I look at this pyramid over here, what shape do you see on one of its flat surfaces? That's right. One of the flat surfaces, so one of the faces of this pyramid is a triangle. What about the cylinder? Let's look at the cylinder. If I'm looking for a flat surface, what would my shape be? Do you guys see it? I see a circle. There's one circle here, and there's another circle here. And if we look at the cone, what shape do you see? What flat surface do you see? That's right, it's another circle. There's a circle here. Okay, so today I want to go over this page. It says flat surfaces of solid figures. And on this side, they want to know what shape, what flat surface would be on a cone. So you guys can go back up. Look at the flat surface. So it would be a circle. A circle would be the flat surface of a cone. So I can draw my circle here. And it would look like this. Okay. And on this side, they want to know, what flat surface do you see on a cube? What is one of the faces of a cube? That's right, it is a square. So my square would look like this. Okay. So when we go down here, they want us to match. So for number 1, they show us a square and they want us to match the solid figure. So a square, and they said, hey, look, this cube has squares in it, therefore this one needs to be circled, which they did. And this one also. Okay, what about for number 2? Number 2 has a circle. Does a square have a flat surface of a circle? No, but a cylinder does. And so does the cylinder. Okay. We can also see that a cone, we know that at the very bottom of a cone, if we flip it over, we can also see a circle. Right? And a ball. If we open it, it has a circle in the middle. Okay. For number 3, they ask, what solid surface has a square on it? So I want you to try number 3 and number 4 on your own.